Hola, I'm Paraskumar Neta and I will be discussing about the manufacturing sector of India. So, India is having $2.6 trillion of GDP. It is the world's ninth largest economy and third by purchasing power parity. Currently, the manufacturing sector of India contributes 18% to the total GDP, comparing to the 52% by service industry and 14.39% by agricultural sector. India represents only 2% of the manufacturing output in the world, and manufacturing sector is an uh, im- important for the India's economic development. Manufacturing has a potential to the give the large uh, scale of employment to the Indian economy. India has a power to become the powerhouse for the manufacturing sector as it has a large pool of engineers available, and there is a young population, and the manufacturing goods are significantly consumed. So now I will be discussing some of the issues that manufacturing sector is currently facing. First being there is a uneven regional development. As we see, uh, only some of the cities are currently having the industries that is required for manufacturing sector. We have ignored the northeast region, and only three special economic zones are available, in which one is in Manipur and two are in Nagaland. And the small towns are also ignored with respect to the regional development. Second, we talk about the quality. So, according to A.T. Kernley's report, 60% of the global manufacturers are better than India, which is a concern for Indian manufacturer as the quality of the goods are now being concerned. India being a labor intensive uh, industry, having the low labor cost, are not currently that much focusing on the technology aspect, as we are not purchasing any modern equipment. That this could be an issue which can be rectified right now. And there is also scarcity of a financial facilities available to small and medium enterprises, and there is also short supply of skilled labor, as the technical institute in India are currently lags behind in the infrastructure, and there is not much equipment available in the institute. This can lead to produce uh, the skilled labor that is required for the manufacturing industry. And also the small and medium enterprises are in uh, lacking in the capital capturing. And so now I will be discussing some of the solutions that can be used to tackle these issues that we have discussed above. The first being the labor law can be relaxed. The current labor law uh, cannot be applied, cannot be incentivized to the labor available for any company. The second being the investment by government to the training institute. So to improve the infrastructure and to cater the need of the equipment that is needed for institute to have the better to produce the better skilled labor. Third being the Special Economic Zone Act can be relaxed. By relaxing it, the currently 1000 hectare of land is required for SEZs, and which can be relaxed to cater the need to the small towns and to the northeast region. By this, the to the people employment to the people will be. And third being setting up the institute for quality check. Currently, the quality is an issue for India, as I have mentioned that according to IEP, currently 60% of the global manufacturing are better in India. So, setting up an institute which will help the Indian government to uh, benchmark the quality of any product, and by this, many of the industries will have to use the intensive technology that is being available, and by this they can produce the quality products that the world is demanding right now. So the timeline that I would be proposing to uh, would be required to to the solution I have given would be around 2 3 years, and to get the result would be around 6 to 7 years for the 50% of result that I have mentioned. Uh, there may arise some problem due to this, as I have mentioned that setting up an institute which would benchmark the quality. This can lead many industry to cease from operations, and this can lead to unemployment. Second being the environment issue, which the natural sources can be used for getting the better products, and by this we are harming the environment. So this is about the manufacturing sector of India. Thank you.